Hey guys, let's make this juicy coconut milk macaroni or pasta with turkey. This is my already washed turkey, and then I added my pepper. It's slightly frozen, that's why it looks this way. Going with the onions, and then your seasoning cubes, thyme, curry. This is the seasoning cubes, thyme, and curry. Pour it in, then add your bay leaf, and then you mix, cover it, allow it to steam for a bit, before you add in your water. And once you add in your water, make sure you stir it up a bit because some of the ingredients are already in the pan, so make sure you stir it up a bit. Then once you bring it to a boil, you go in and add in your coconut milk. Yes, I added in a little bit of coconut milk inside it. So you go in and add in your coconut milk and stir it. In another pot, pour in your oil. Once it heats up a bit, you add in your onions, saute it for a while. Then you go in with your tomatoes. Most times people add garlic at this point, but stay with me, I didn't add garlic or ginger at this point. So you'd stir it, let it fry for a bit until the water has dried up, because this is a fresh tomatoes. Once it dries up, well fried, you see the steam. You go in with your peppers. Like I told you, my pepper is slightly frozen. Now this is the point I added my ginger. This is the first time I'm actually trying this method. It came out nice. So this is the first time I added my ginger. I didn't add garlic because my secret ingredient has all that in it. I do not want, garlic is it's actually a pretty strong, herb or spice, whatever you call it. And then go in with your seasoning cubes, your curry, and now this is a secret ingredient called garam masala. I'm in love with it. So pour in your turkey stock in it, and if the turkey stock is a little bit small, you can add in water. Once you add in your water, you bring it to boil, add in a bit of salt, and then you add your coconut milk, right? Don't add everything, we still need it at the end. You pour in your smashed sardines. I'm going to be putting the ingredients in the description box. Then you add your macaroni or pasta, whatever you call it. I used 2 packs of macaroni, and then add the remaining coconut milk in it. Yes, then allow it to cook. So now you can add this point I added my carrots, but you have green beans and all that added. I didn't have that, so I just made do with what I had. And this food was really, really yummy. This is not even, this video is not doing justice to it at all. So this is it. I added my turkey at the end of it all. Then I dished it in the plate so that you can see it in all its gloriness, in its yumminess and juiciness. This was yummy. Trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.